Okay guys, quick refresher on the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is simply this. In a right triangle, again, only applies to right triangles, meaning one that has a 90-degree angle, the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs in this are A and B, if we square those and sum those up, that is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. In other words, if we take side length A and square it, add that to the square of side length B, that should equal the square of the hypotenuse. Let's just do some basic problems here that review this concept. You've done this before. Quick little review before you go on to the problems. So we have a missing measure here. We don't know the length of the hypotenuse. This is a right triangle, and we want to solve for x. So we can square our leg length. So we're going to take 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's going to equal x squared. Well, 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. That will equal x squared. Let's simplify one more time. We have 25 will equal x squared. So now we can do the square root of both sides. The square root of 25 is 5. So that will be the measure for our hypotenuse. Let's look at one more example. Alright. This time we have another right triangle with a leg of 5 and an unknown leg of x and a hypotenuse of 13, and we want to solve for x. Alright, let's set it up again. We square the two legs, add them together. That equals the square of the hypotenuse. So, 5 squared plus x squared is going to equal 13 squared. Alright, well we can do 5 squared, that's 25, plus x squared, we can't simplify anything there yet. 13 squared will be 169. Okay, let's keep doing some basic algebra 1 here. Let's subtract 25 from both sides. We get x squared is equal to 144. Now we can square both sides to solve for x. X will equal the square root of 144 is 12. So our missing side length is 12. Go ahead and work some of the practice problems before you go on to the next video.